Hello everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Social media rocked by earthquake. Earlier today, sections of Jamaica were rocked by a 5.6 magnitude earthquake, which damaged buildings and sent items flying off shelves in homes and business establishments. The earthquake unit has confirmed that the island experienced a 5.6 magnitude earthquake at 10:57 a.m. Following the quake, videos of live reactions to the earthquake surfaced online.
Well, the greatest earthquake that Jamaica ever feel.
Boy, if this is not a warning, I don't know what is a warning.
When the place a shake, I say, I just hear the grill start shaking. I say, my dog fit through the grill. The dog up on the veranda, lie down, the dog fit through the grill.
Jamaican acts shut down World Creole Music Festival. Now, over the weekend, Popcorn, Barris Hammond, and Jada Kingdom delivered 3 epic nights of performances at Dominica's annual World Festival, World Creole Music Festival. The festival, which spans more than 20 years, celebrates the music culture of the Creole-speaking countries of the Caribbean, Europe, and Africa. The festival also marks part of the celebrations of Dominica's independence activities and coincides with International Creole Day. Now this is truly one where our hearts are broken. Words from the creators of 90s sitcom Friends following the passing of actor Matthew Perry. Over the weekend, Los Angeles Times, citing law enforcement sources, reported the passing of Perry in an apparent drowning accident at his Los Angeles home. Now, Perry was popularly known for his character, Chandler, on the 1994 sitcom Friends, which earned him a Primetime Emmy nomination in 2002. Following his untimely passing, co-creators of the sitcom, Marta Kaufman and David Crane, and executive producer Kevin Bright issued a joint statement to People magazine reflecting on Perry's breakout role as Chandler Bing in the 90s sitcom, stating that it's a cliche to say an actor makes a role their own. But in Matthew's case, there are no truer words, adding that from the first they heard him embody the role, there was no one else. The trio ended the statement, "We all send our love to his family and friends. This truly hurts." Now, Skims named the official underwear partner of the NBA, WNBA, and U.S. Basketball. The National Basketball Association and Skims have partnered for a multi-year period, making Skims the official underwear partner of the NBA, Women's National Basketball Association, WNBA, and USA Basketball. Skims, founded in 2019 by Kim Kardashian, focuses on providing solutions for everybody through fashion, sport, and talent. The partnership aims to connect people of all backgrounds through style, comfort, and fit. NBA Commissioner Adam Silver said Skims has become one of the most culturally influential brands, offering unique experiences and premium products. Skims Men's launched in October 26, featuring 3 collections of everyday essentials with comfort at the forefront. The brand will receive media exposure across various league platforms. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.